Hello, people. This is just a random video, and so yeah, we're gonna show you what the Love family does when it's raining outside. Okay, so all you need is a trampoline,
and junk, and rain,
some socks,
some rain,
some sidewalk chalk,
and some rain.
and a cloudy day.
With rain.
So,
With rain.
Yep. So yeah, we just get some socks, just slip and slide on the trampoline, and so yeah, and jaw. So yeah, this is what we do during thunderstorms. It looks like polka dots all over the trampoline. Oh, my toe. Oh gosh, look at my socks. Oh God, Jacob. No. Oh God. Oh God. Are you okay? Oh gosh, it looks like you got a black eye. Let me see. Let me see. It looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Let me look.